We're rolling. Bore da bawb, Croeso I Gaergybi. We have a big cruise ship in today. Look at that. It's one of the big ones. 140,000 ton, I think I've been told. So it's so big they have to bring in all the passengers by lifeboat to here to shuttle them in because it can't actually go on the old Tinto jetty. So yeah, got a new muffle for my microphone. Thank you for the person who said that. And so obviously to welcome the cruise ship passengers as they get off, we have Jeff Evans dressed up as the town crier over there. Shout out Jeff Evans, who has come a long way from bringing Cilla Black here back in the day, for those who remember. But also a big mention for Beryl Warner on the town council, who's worked her absolute backside off for many years to sort of make sure that we are more prepared for cruise ship passengers here, make sure that we have more to offer them in the town, but also across the island as well, because there's nothing worse than seeing them cruise ship passengers sort of get off and go on a coach and leave the island straight away to go to Conwy or whatever, because we want to keep them here. We want to make sure that we are going to benefit from the the tourism they bring, and yeah, so we, because of people like her and many others, we are now far more prepared. But I think we can do more, and that's something I definitely want to do, is make sure that we are reaping the benefits of having so many visitors to our beautiful island. So yeah, signing off. It's a lovely still day in the harbour today, and I'm worried I'm probably going to get sunburned. So, hwyl fawr, diolch yn fawr.